The black-billed cuckoo, Cochise erythrophthalmus, is a captivating bird native in North America. It belongs to the family Cuckooidae and is renowned for its unique call, which resembles the phrase coo-coo-coo. This distinctive vocalization has earned it the nickname rain crow due to its association with impending rain showers. The black-billed cuckoo's intriguing behavior and characteristic appearance have fascinated bird enthusiasts and researchers for generations.